Hi all my dear viewers, you could see water around me and I am at a beautiful location. In the early hours you could hear the chirpings of birds and wonderful fresh breeze, and with that freshness I would like to convey a message for all my viewers. Hope you take it in a right manner. Wow. So it's great to see nature and how it helps us in many ways. Imagine the life without air. Can we imagine? No, right? So can we imagine the life without food? No, right? So it's very tough to digest. And can we imagine the life without water? So we can survive without food for some days and without water for maybe a few days, and without air we can survive a few minutes, I can suppose. Okay, I can understand. So what I maybe as a nature's lover and giving training on life related aspects, being the life coach and a motivational speaker and a certified soft skills trainer. So I would like to include this topic through my video to all my viewers, because one thing we all should protect nowadays is our nature around us. All life forms should be protected. Today I want to take one natural resource, that is water. Chemically we term it as H2O, two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. And it's very tough to digest that there could be world war in future for water. So please let us try to minimize the usage of water wastage and try to have that moral responsibility, feel from within that this great resource of nature should be available, or we should make it available for the generations to come. And the interesting thing and the twist of life is, we never know the value of anything unless it becomes extinct. So let us all be wise enough, before anything becomes extinct, let us be very cautious, and maybe we can do in small amounts. Maybe we can start the day at home, creating that awareness within ourselves and the people around us, and wherever we travel. So nowadays it's like awareness, lot of awareness is needed for conserving the natural resource, that is water, and based on this water all other life forms are dependent, including us. Right from the primitive stages, people used to make their living near the water spot or near the river area. So nowadays we are not able to find that fresh water, pure water. And I would like to emphasize that, me being Hyderabadi, and Hyderabad is termed as once upon a time as the city of lakes, but nowadays we could see few rivers or few water lakes itself. So whenever we try to come to a water spot, automatically it would be a refreshing experience. So why don't we try to conserve such natural resources and refresh ourselves? And if you look at all the other life forms like birds, they try to come here and have that refreshing experiences. So in simple, I want to convey or it's a request, a humble request from my side, friends. Let us save water, use water wisely, and no wastage, and this is the high time where no excuse for wastage of water. And whenever I look at a river or a sea, I observe that in silence the animals or the life forms inside the water, they are expressing their anguish. For example, we try to dump all the unwanted things, including maybe like glass items or harmful chemicals, or needles or iron items, where they are able to consume, especially plastic, and finally it is getting accumulated in a water resource. So that is affecting the aquatic life, and that anguish is not, and if they are in that disturbance or in that sad vibration level, it's not good for us. So we should be sensitive enough. So please let us be sensitive enough, and we are all educated, and maybe at school level, college level, information is there, but information is of no use if it is not being implemented. So let us all be wise enough, and it's an individual responsibility. If every individual starts doing it, the whole world changes, and we don't have any right to spoil the nature which we cannot create. So at least let us try to leave this planet Earth, if not better, at least at what level we found it when we are born, and take it better to the generations to come. So friends, I hope you all understood the sensitivity and the seriousness behind the usage of water. So we will be wise enough, do our part, and protect nature and take blessings from above. God will be the happiest person. Ultimately, we will be also happy, and the people around us. Thank you so much for watching this video, and share your valuable feedback, and your feedback is much appreciated. Thank you all.